Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Raymond James account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Raymond James account, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Raymond James website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the client access option. Click on client access to be directed to the login page. On the login page, find the option labeled activate your account. Click on that option to begin the activation process. You will now be prompted to enter your social security number. Carefully input your social security number in the designated field. Next, provide your account number in the following field. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. After entering both numbers, click on the Next button. You may now be required to answer some security questions. Select the questions you remember and type in your answers. Once you've completed this step, click on Continue. You should now be prompted to create a username and password. Choose a secure username that you haven't used before. Then, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it is correct. After creating your username and password, click Submit. Upon successful submission, your account will be activated. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Take a moment to review your account settings and preferences. Your Raymond James account is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.